Well, good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, let me say how honored we are to be here today as part of this very historic occasion of the first deployment of an OMLT with Slovenia in the lead and Colorado as a team. We are very proud and very honored country. It's one of those very important things that we see from the state of Colorado and from the United States and from Slovenia, the importance of making sure that it is a stable regime in Afghanistan. And so we are very proud of each and every one of you as you take this critical mission on, as you lead the effort by NATO to ensure that Afghanistan becomes stable. So as soldiers, you are history makers. You are the first from Slovenia and the first from Colorado to team together to go forward to do this critical mission. And so from Colorado, we say very, very sincerely, thank you for your service. Thank you for what you do for your country. Thank you for what you do for NATO. This is indeed historic, and you are the first. So thank you so much for what you're about to do. To the family members, thank you for your support. This is a difficult thing to send your loved ones away. We know how much you will miss them, but know that they are prepared. They are well prepared to do a successful mission, and we look forward to their safe return. But thank you so much for all of the support that you give your loved ones for what they're about to do. I wanted to say that this has been phenomenal to watch our soldiers work together in the training to become the close teammates that they are. We know that you're prepared. We know that you will set the standard high for many teams to follow afterwards, whether it's from Slovenia, Colorado, or whether it's from other states and other nations as they work to promote the stability that Afghanistan so needs. So we're very honored, very proud to be here. We know you're ready. We know you'll do a great job, and we look forward to a successful completion of the mission and the safe return of every one of you. May God be with you. Godspeed to all of you. Thank you.